Welcome back to Aviation Spec, where we explore the stories of people shaping the future of aviation. Today's topic will be Women in Aviation. Let's meet our guests. Here we have Naisa Garcia and Fabiola Acevedo, two young promising students from the Aeronautics program over at the University of Aguadilla in Puerto Rico. So let's start from the beginning. What first inspired you to get into aviation?
I've always been fascinated by airplanes and how they seem to defy gravity. Watching them take off made me curious about how they work. That curiosity grew into passion and learning more about aviation and pursuing it as a career.
For me, seeing a plane take off up close amazed me and sparked my curiosity. That moment turned into real passion and a dream to work in aviation.
Walk us through a typical day in your role.
My day usually starts with reviewing lessons, flight topics, or technical materials. I spend time studying, completing projects, and working with classmates. Every day brings something new, which keeps me motivated and excited to learn.
As a student, my days are a mix of classes and hands-on training. In the classroom, we learn about aircraft systems, aerodynamics, and safety procedures. Then in the labs, we get to apply that knowledge, inspecting parts, running tests, or learning how engines work.
What has been the most difficult part of your academic career?
Balancing technical subjects with other responsibilities has been a challenge. Aviation requires focus, patience, and a lot of studying, but every obstacle has made me more disciplined and determined to succeed.
One of the biggest challenges has been balancing all the technical learning with the hands-on work. There's a lot to study and memorize, and sometimes it can feel overwhelming, but I've learned to stay organized and remind myself why I started.
So, we all know that aviation is a field mostly dominated by males. How do you two, being women, feel about that?
It feels empowering to represent women in aviation. Sometimes it can be intimidating, but it also pushes me to be my best. I'm proud to be a part of a new generation opening doors for more women in the field.
At first, it can feel intimidating because there aren't as many women around, but once you start learning and proving what you can do, people respect you for your skills, not gender. It's empowering to know you're helping open doors for women who come after you.
How does the future of women in aviation look like to you?
I believe the future is full of opportunities. More women are joining aviation programs and providing their skills. The industry is becoming more inclusive, and that gives me hope for what's ahead.
I see a bright future. More women are stepping into aviation roles and leadership positions, and the industry is becoming more welcoming and exclusive for everyone.
So, what can the industry do to better support and attract women into aviation careers?
The industry can start by promoting equal opportunities and creating supportive space for women. Scholarships, memberships, programs, and visibility make a big difference. Representation is powerful. Seeing women in aviation inspires others to join.
When young girls see women working as pilots, mechanics, or engineers, it inspires them to believe that they can do it too. Basically, the industry could support more mentorship programs or offer scholarships for women and visit schools to show that aviation isn't just a male field.
Huge shout out to our sponsor for this podcast, the Aeronautical and Aerospace Association of the University of Puerto Rico in Aguadilla. Don't forget to follow their socials and share them. Where do you two see yourselves in 10 years?
In 10 years, I see myself working professionally in the aviation industry. I want to continue learning and growing while helping others follow the same path. My goal is to make a positive impact wherever I go.
Either maintaining aircraft or working avionics system, or maybe even helping design new technology. I also hope to mentor younger students to show them that they can achieve anything in aviation.
What advice would you two give young girls looking to get into aviation?
to believe in yourself and your goals. Aviation can be challenging, but it also is one of the most rewarding fields to be a part of. Don't let anyone tell you that you can do it. You absolutely can.
I would say don't be afraid and just go for it.
To wrap it up, let's do some quick questions. Favorite aircraft?
My favorite aircraft would be the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. It's elegant, efficient, and advanced.
For me, the F-22 Raptor, because it is designed to dominate the skies with advanced weapons and technology.
Dream destination to fly to?
It would be Greece for its history, beaches, and beautiful views from above.
I would say Switzerland because of its beauty.
Thank you all for joining us today. Don't forget to follow Aviation Spec, and until the next time, Godspeed.
My story in aviation started when I finished my high school years, and I started to wonder where I should study next. So I always liked physics, so it was logical that I chose engineering. And at some point, I started to look at studies, and one city that I wanted to study at was Kaunas University of Technology. So I looked, and they had electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and they had aviation engineering. And that studies intrigued me the most. So I put it as my first choice, and I hope that I got in. And when I got in, I was really happy the first year. And on the second year, I started to get bored a little bit. So I wanted to have some hands-on experience. So I had one friend that suggested that I should come working at his company, which is FL Techniques. I sent my CV and hope that I get an interview. So a couple days later, I got a call, and they called me in, and I got to meet my bay manager and my potential team leader. It all worked out, and another day later, they were happy to inform me that I'm going to be joining their team. Right now, I've been working at FL Techniques for about 4.5 years, and I'm really happy about the experiences and the opportunities that I got to experience. At FL Techniques, I'm working as an avionic, which means I'm working with electrical and electric equipment. Thankfully, to my great mentors and great colleagues, I got the knowledge about specific specifications and skills needed to achieve great results. And while working with aircraft electronic equipment, you have to be delicate and mindful what you're doing with it. And I think it's an amazing feeling when you finish doing base maintenance on an airplane and you see it take off from the runway. Sometimes I think it's still a bit odd for people when I say that I work in aviation, because it's mainly manly industry. But I think it's just a matter of time when people get used to it, because I think more and more women are going to work in aviation or any other manly industry. Me personally, I was a bit afraid when I decided to join aviation, but when I joined FL Techniques, I felt really welcomed and equally appreciated. If I could speak to any women or girls that are interested in aviation, I think they just have to try and achieve their dreams. Because when I just tried, I found great colleagues and great friends that I can't imagine my life without. And I also found extraordinary experiences and a job that I actually like. I think I'm really thankful for all the opportunities that I had and still have, and I'm looking forward to all the new experiences and challenges.
Each day brings something
Yeah, Welcome back to Aviation Spec, where we explore the stories of people shaping. Tiene que ser así. Favorite destination to fly to? No, mira, así.